In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Smartarget on your Wix website. To do this, you first need to have a Smartarget account. If you haven't already, please head over to the Smartarget website and create an account. Once done, log into your account. Upon your successful login, you will see an array of features that Smartarget offers. On the top, you'll find an integration code snippet. This piece of code is specifically crafted for you and your website. It serves as a key for integrating Smartarget into your web page. To secure this key, you need to initiate a copy operation. This means you'll select the entire snippet, right-click, and then choose Copy. Now, you have effectively copied the integration code snippet provided by Smartarget. With the Smartarget code snippet securely copied, it's time to move over to your Wix dashboard. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Wix website. Here, you have to log in using your Wix account credentials to access your website's backend or dashboard. The dashboard is the control room of your website, where you can make changes, adjust settings, and add new features. Once you reach the dashboard, your eyes should look for the Settings option. It's usually situated around the middle of the dashboard and is quite prominent. Click on it to proceed further. The Settings area holds a plethora of options, amongst which you're looking for the one that says Add Custom Code. Once you scroll down and find this option, click on the plus Add Custom Code button located at the top right corner of the page. Having clicked the plus Add Custom Code button, you'll notice that a large text box instantly appears. It's in this box that you would paste the code snippet that you copied from Smartarget. Right-click inside the box and choose Paste to insert the code snippet. Our task is almost complete. The remaining only applies if your Wix site isn't already upgraded. If it's not, now would be a great time to consider upgrading to use Smartarget effectively. Finally, apply the settings which will integrate Smartarget onto your Wix site. Voila! You've successfully completed the process of integrating Smartarget onto your Wix website. Congratulations! Now you can utilize all the benefits of Smartarget and elevate your website interaction to the next level.